Thank you for joining. During this tutorial, we will explain to you how to create an effective reporting system with Ajelix BI data visualization platform. We'll guide you through every step from uploading data to sharing reports so you can make the most out of our platform. Step 1. Data source upload. To create a report, you need to add data. Go to the Data Sources page. This is where you can find all the files you've uploaded. Click Add Data and select the data source. You can upload Excel files or connect with Google Sheets or SQL Server. Make sure to format the files according to our guides that you can find on ajelix.com/support. Each connection has a different upload process. If you need help with the setup, you can find guides on our support page. If the upload was successful, you'll see a notification, data source added successfully, and an option to create a report or prepare data. Click Data Preparation. If your data is already prepared and ready for visualization, you can skip this step. However, we recommend data preparation for more advanced analytics. Step 2. Data preparation. Data preparation is a process that helps you transform raw, messy data into a clean, useful format for analysis and KPI creation. Here's how to start. Expand the data source menu and select the data model you want to edit. Now you can see Data Preview, where you can rename columns, hide data, or change data formatting. This tool allows you to add calculated columns or convert existing ones into a new format. For example, we have 2 columns that reflect customer counts and wish to add a new column that displays the overall number of customers. This is how you do it. Click Add Column, change the data format to number, and rename the column Total Customers. Enter the first column's name into the formula bar Active Customers plus Customers per Country. Apply the changes and we'll have a new column ready for visualization. Another useful feature is the ability to create KPIs and metrics. In this dataset, we have 2 columns, total revenue and expenses. We want to determine the total profit. Here is how. Click Add Measure. Rename the measure as total profit. In the formula bar, type sum revenue, as we have a column named revenue, and subtract sum expenses. Click Apply to see the result. If you require extra assistance, please visit our support page and follow the more extensive guides about the data preparation process. Once your data is ready, go to the left menu and click Dashboards. Step 3. Create a report. Click the Add Dashboard button to create a report, and you will be transferred to Report Editor View. On the left side, you can see all the data you have added. Note that you can create a dashboard using data from several data sources. Next to the data sources, you can see the editor where you can add elements, set up charts, customize the report, and use AI features. On the right side, you'll see the report editing preview. Now let's create the first chart. Expand the data source list. The dimensions are non-numeric column titles. For example, you want to add the month as a label on the axis. Aggregations are numeric column titles. By clicking on any column, you will calculate these values. For example, you want to understand the profit for each month. Click on Month from Dimensions and Profit from Aggregations, and you'll see the chart pop up and update. On the right side, you can see that element is added to the preview mode, and on the left side, additional editing settings appear. In the editor, you can see data that is visualized on the chart. You can change calculations or rearrange by drag and drop functionality. You can also rename the column titles. The sorting field lets you sort ascending or descending by any label. Sorting Custom field gives you the option to set your sorting criteria. For example, you want to rearrange month names in chronic order by separating each label with a comma. Example, Jan, February, Mar, etc. Top N lets you sort and visualize only top or bottom values. Select the column, for example, profit, and top 3 or 5. Depends on how much you want to visualize. Data filters will filter any column from your data source. For example, if you have visualized profit based on the month column, but want to filter based on a specific project that is not visualized, visualization filters will filter the result that is visualized on the chart. For example, if you have added a month column, you can enter a specific month you don't want to see in the chart, and the filter will remove it. Don't forget to press Save and Apply Changes button. All customization settings for specific elements can be found on the top toolbar. In the first field, you can rename the chart title. If you don't need a title, delete all text and the title will disappear from the chart. In the next drop-down, you can change the chart type to pie chart, line chart, or other element. The next button is color selection. Here you can change colors for each category to meet your brand guidelines. Here you adjust label settings, such as hiding labels, changing the font size, and setting colors. These legend settings allow you to hide or unhide labels. In axis settings, you can hide the X or Y axis. Another useful setting is number formatting. Here you can set percentage, currency, or any other formatting you need. We have summarized the most popular data types in the drop-down. However, you can visit the custom number formatting guide to create more customized data types. Resize any element by dragging the right bottom corner and rearrange by drag and drop functionality. Customize your report at a more advanced level. In the Report Settings section, you can change the name of your report and set the dashboard colors. You can also add a link to your logo that will display when you share the report with others. At the bottom of the report, you can add several pages to your dashboard and rename them. Step 4: AI Analytics. You can speed up your visualization process by using AI features. The most popular function is the AI Dashboard Generator. To use this function, go to the AI Actions page, choose the data source, and then click Generate Dashboard. AI will provide you with meaningful charts and insights that you can further explore using AI Chat. Another useful function is a chart generator. Here you can write prompts such as profit by country, and AI will give you fully customized graph for your dashboard. Step 5: Saving and sharing. Once your report is ready, click Save and press View to see the report in full size. This is how your dashboard will look when you share it with others. To share the dashboard, go back to the editor and click the Share button. In the Setting drop-down, you'll see options. 1. Share a report using a public link. To get the link, change the report status to public and copy the link. Anyone with this link will be able to access the report. 2. Set the password. Every time someone wants to access the report, they will have to enter the password. 3. Add viewers via email. Simply add the email address and click Share. Note that users will have to create a free account with Ajelix to view the dashboard. The right tools to get the job done. Ajelix, data visualization made fast and easy for busy people. Register and start creating on ajelix.com. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Let us know in the comments.